Stripe and Adyen are two of the leading payment processing platforms used by global businesses. Both offer powerful tools for managing online transactions, but they each have distinct strengths that may make one more suitable for North American retailers, depending on their needs. In this comparison, we'll look at the key differences and features that set them apart and help you decide which payment stack is best for your business. Let's start with Stripe. Stripe has become a household name in the tech and e-commerce world due to its developer-friendly features and easy integration into websites and apps. Stripe offers a powerful set of APIs that allow North American retailers to customize their payment processing to their exact needs. Whether you're running a simple online store or need a more complex checkout flow, Stripe's platform makes it easy to accept payments, handle subscriptions, and even set up advanced billing models. One of the standout features of Stripe is its ability to handle a wide range of payment methods. It supports credit and debit cards, digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, and even local payment methods for international customers. This makes it ideal for businesses that are looking to expand globally, but still need a reliable and efficient solution in North America. Now, let's look at Adyen. Adyen is a payment processor that has gained significant popularity among large enterprises, especially those with global operations. It is particularly favored by retailers who need a comprehensive, all-in-one payment solution. Adyen's platform integrates payment processing, point-of-sale POS systems, and financial reporting, making it a great choice for businesses that need to manage payments both online and in brick-and-mortar stores. What sets Adyen apart is its unified payment platform. While Stripe focuses primarily on online transactions, Adyen is a true omni-channel solution that allows businesses to accept payments across multiple channels, whether it's in-store, online, or via mobile apps. This is especially helpful for North American retailers who have both physical and digital storefronts, as Adyen can consolidate your payment data in one place, streamlining your reconciliation process and reporting. In summary, both Stripe and Adyen offer strong, reliable payment processing platforms for businesses, but they cater to slightly different needs. Stripe is great for North American retailers looking for a developer-friendly solution with flexibility for global expansion, while Adyen is ideal for larger enterprises that require an omni-channel all-in-one solution for both online and offline payments. Choosing the right payment processor depends on your business size, goals, and the complexity of your payment needs. Both platforms will provide the security, functionality, and scalability you need to grow your business and stay competitive in the global marketplace.